He did not come from a dynasty of Hollywood stars, yet there was always something about him that commanded attention. With a calm confidence, disciplined work ethic, and the ability to portray both strength and vulnerability, Dallas Liu didn't simply become another young actor in the entertainment industry. He gradually established himself as one of Hollywood's most promising talents, transforming years of dedication into performances that resonate with audiences around the world. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on August 21, 2001, in Los Angeles, California, United States, Dallas Liu discovered his passion for performing at an early age. Alongside acting, he dedicated much of his childhood to martial arts, developing discipline, athleticism, and mental focus. Years of rigorous training not only shaped his character, but also provided the physical skills that would later become a valuable advantage for action-oriented roles in television and film. His professional acting journey began with guest appearances in television series, where he steadily gained experience and refined his craft. Rather than achieving instant fame, Dallas built his career step by step, taking on diverse roles that showcased his versatility and commitment. His performances demonstrated a natural screen presence that quickly attracted the attention of producers and casting directors. A significant milestone came with his role in the acclaimed comedy series Pen 15, where he displayed emotional depth and maturity beyond his years. He later appeared in Marvel Studios' Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings, further expanding his experience in major Hollywood productions and introducing himself to an even broader international audience. The defining chapter of his career arrived when Netflix cast him as Prince Zuko in the live-action adaptation of Avatar, The Last Airbender. Portraying one of the franchise's most beloved and complex characters carried enormous expectations. Zuko's journey is built upon conflict, redemption, family, and personal growth, demanding emotional nuance as well as convincing action performance. Dallas embraced the challenge with dedication, honoring the spirit of the original character while bringing his own interpretation to the role. As the series progressed into its second season, his performance reached new heights. Season 2 explores Zuko's internal struggles, evolving relationships, and gradual transformation, allowing Dallas to demonstrate a wider emotional range while performing increasingly demanding action sequences. His commitment to authentic martial arts choreography and character development earned praise from viewers around the world. By 2026, Dallas Liu is regarded as one of Hollywood's fastest-rising young actors. Industry professionals recognize his professionalism, directors value his versatility, and audiences admire his ability to portray emotionally layered characters. His career reflects consistent progress built upon preparation, discipline, and thoughtful role selection. Away from the cameras, Dallas maintains a balanced and active lifestyle. Martial arts continue to influence his daily routine, supporting both physical fitness and mental resilience. He enjoys staying active, traveling, and spending time with family and close friends while maintaining a relatively private personal life despite his growing international recognition. His fashion style reflects modern sophistication with effortless simplicity. Whether attending film premieres, press events, or promotional interviews, Dallas frequently chooses clean, contemporary looks that complement his confident yet approachable personality. His evolving style has also attracted increasing attention within the fashion and entertainment industries. Although public curiosity often extends to his personal relationships, Dallas remains respectful of his privacy. Rather than allowing media speculation to define his image, he consistently places the focus on his acting career, personal development, and the stories he hopes to tell through his work. Colleagues often describe him as dedicated, humble, and easy to work with. As of 2026, Dallas Liu's estimated net worth reflects earnings from television productions, major streaming projects, feature films, endorsements, and public appearances. While still early in his career compared with many established Hollywood actors, his growing international popularity and expanding portfolio indicate remarkable long-term potential. What many fans appreciate most is his authenticity. Whether portraying the determined Prince Zuko or appearing in interviews, Dallas projects sincerity and humility that make him genuinely relatable. His performances are driven not by spectacle alone, but by emotional honesty and careful preparation. Dallas Liu's journey continues to evolve with every new project. From a disciplined young martial artist in Los Angeles to portraying one of television's most iconic characters in Avatar, The Last Airbender, his rise reflects perseverance, passion, and unwavering commitment to his craft. As he continues building his career in 2026, he stands as one of Hollywood's most exciting young stars, focused, versatile, and well-positioned for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of confidence, emotional depth, and natural screen presence, Kiawentiio didn't simply enter Hollywood as another young actress. She crafted an identity of her own, transforming her passion for storytelling and music into one of the most promising careers of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on April 28, 2006, in Ontario, Canada, Kiawentiio's journey began far from the major studios of Hollywood. A proud member of the Mohawk community of Akwesasne, she grew up surrounded by a rich cultural heritage that shaped both her identity and artistic perspective. From an early age, she developed a passion for acting, music, and creative expression, discovering that storytelling could become both a career and a way to represent her community on an international stage. Her professional career began through television and film projects that immediately showcased her emotional maturity and natural talent. Even in her earliest performances, directors recognized her ability to deliver authentic, emotionally grounded characters. Each new opportunity strengthened her experience, while steadily building her reputation within the entertainment industry. Her biggest breakthrough arrived when Netflix selected her to portray Katara in the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. Taking on one of the franchise's most beloved characters required extensive preparation, including action training, emotional character development, and the responsibility of meeting the expectations of millions of longtime fans worldwide. As the series continued into Season 2, Kiawentiio expanded Katara's emotional journey, portraying her growing confidence as a waterbending master, protector, and compassionate leader. Her performance earned praise for balancing strength with kindness while bringing fresh depth to the iconic character. The success of the series established her as one of Hollywood's fastest-rising young actresses. By 2026, Kiawentiio is recognized as both a talented actress and an emerging singer-songwriter. Industry professionals admire her versatility, audiences appreciate her authenticity, and producers increasingly view her as one of Canada's brightest young entertainers. Her career reflects consistent growth built on dedication, artistic discipline, and meaningful storytelling. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects balance, humility, and cultural pride. Despite achieving international recognition at a young age, she remains closely connected to her Indigenous roots while continuing to develop both her acting and musical career. Family, creativity, and personal growth remain central to her daily life. Her fashion style mirrors her personality: elegant, youthful, and naturally confident. Whether attending Netflix premieres, entertainment events, or fashion appearances, Kiawentiio combines modern style with authenticity, creating a public image that feels genuine rather than manufactured. Although public curiosity about her personal life continues to grow, she remains focused primarily on her artistic development. She consistently chooses to highlight her work, music, and cultural representation instead of unnecessary publicity. Colleagues frequently describe her as professional, thoughtful, hardworking, and deeply committed to her craft. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects earnings from Netflix productions, acting projects, music releases, endorsements, and brand collaborations. Beyond financial success, she has established herself as an important young voice for Indigenous representation within global entertainment. What many people admire most is her authenticity. Whether performing as Katara, writing music, or speaking about her heritage, Kiawentiio brings honesty and sincerity to everything she does. That genuine approach continues to distinguish her in an increasingly competitive industry. Kiawentiio's journey is defined by steady growth instead of overnight fame. From a talented young performer in Ontario to portraying Katara in Netflix's Avatar, The Last Airbender, her rise reflects determination, creativity, and cultural pride. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as one of Canada's most exciting young stars, versatile, grounded, and built for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.